Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Netflix on Smart TV. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to watch recently Netflix movies on your Smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out your remote control right here. So when you bring out your remote control, make sure you use your right side arrow key until you get to movies right here. So when you get to movies, then be sure you hit on OK. Then you have some movies from the home page right here. You can scroll down. The more you scroll down, you see some of the movies right here. But however, what we are interested here is to check on the new movies. And for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and use your left arrow key on your remote. And what you want to do right here is to use your upper arrow key on your remote. Tap on it until you get to the home section. So when you get back to the movies right here, use your right side arrow key, drag this way, continue until you get to search right here. When you get to search right here, you have different movies right here. Okay, what you want to do is to use this arrow key, drop that arrow key on your remote right here, and then continue to check different types of movies right here. For Outcast only, then Halloween, then your Zurich watch list. Let's say, for instance, you want to watch recently comedy movies. What you want to do is to hit on OK. When you get to comedy, hit on OK on your remote. Then the first one here is recently added, a new episode right here, Living Soon. So we can go ahead and check on this recently added right there. Click on it. Then you can see the date right there. This is 2024, which simply means that it is actually recently added. Go back to the home page. Then this one right here is a new episode. So click on it. Then you have it here, which is recently also. Then go back and then continue to scroll down right here. You see some of other recently added right here. So this is another one. And scroll down. And you have another one right here. Recently added. This is 2025, which is actually recently added right here. Go back to the home page with your backward arrow key. Let's say, for instance, you want to check on some of other right here. So this is another one. So recently added. And then anyone you see that is labeled recently added, they are new movies right there. So this is another one right there, new episode to watch now. Okay, so we can still come back right here. If you want to check on documentaries, so we can go ahead and click on documentaries right here. So on getting to documentaries, you have some of the recently added documentary right here. So hit on OK and it will take you right here. So you can see this is a recently added Beauty and the Beast. Click on it, then you have it to be 2025, just like so. Then go back to the home page. Then you have another one right here. This is Countdown, and if you click on OK, then it will take you to the detail about it. Then you have it to be 2025, which is recently added. You can scroll down, you can go on and all, and then this is how best to search for recently movies on your Netflix, on your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Netflix, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.